Hello everyone. I've been recording some songs at home at the moment to stick on YouTube, and whilst I've been doing that, I thought it might be worthwhile showing you a video of how I'm doing that using my home recording studio, because you might want to stick some songs and videos up yourself. So I think it helps if you know how some of the programs work. So we've actually got a BR800 system that we use, and I could show you the bits and pieces, and maybe that's transferable to other systems, but I'll give you a rough idea and then maybe help you on your way to getting some videos or songs recorded yourselves. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I'll see you in a sec. The first thing I'm going to do is pick the song I'm going to be singing. So I need to find it. So here we go, we'll use one of these little books. There's a nice little song in here I've been thinking about doing for a few weeks. So let's have a look. There's a ship's cat one we do, Old Maid in the Garret. Let's have a look. The Leaving of Liverpool. Okay, so that's the song we're going to do. So I'm gonna have a little practice of doing that one, so I'll be back in a bit. Farewell, princess, so now I'm ready to do a little bit of recording, so it's time to use the recording machine. Dun, dun, dun. First thing I need to do is make sure I've got all the right wires plugged in. So I'm going to be using mandolin, I'm going to be using vocals and some fiddle. So basically I think I'm just going to use the condenser mic, which is here. So I'm going to have to get the right cord for that and plug it all in. So let me just show you how that works. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do with my BR800 is set it up for a new song. So it's got like a little screen here. So just press menu, scroll up to song, enter, and then I go on to new song. Are you sure? Yeah, enter. So it's going to come up with a new song. Oop. Make sure it's not switched on with the speakers and stuff. Oh, that's really strange. Okay, anyway. Let's exit that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select my inputs. So menu, input select. And I don't want it on guitar and bass. I want it on the condenser mic, which is input 4. And exit. And then for the condenser mic, the input 4, you need to use the phantom power. So go into system, phantom power on, that is the case, so either off or on. So phantom power on. Okay, we can see that's on, so exit there. And then we've got the condenser mic plugged in, so basically we're set up and ready to go. So let's exit that window, and then we can go straight on to recording our layers of songs. So we'll start off with track 1 and switch our recording level up like so. Okay, so that's ready to go, so let's do some recording. The other thing I like to do is set up a drum track so that everything's nice and easy. So you've got your rhythm here, and then you just flick through what you're going to use. So you just play and have a listen like that. So I'll be back in a minute when I pick something, either a metronome or a drum beat. So I've been playing around and I've come across this drum pattern, 158 blues. Now I use the room drum kit, which isn't as harsh as the hard one, and I slowed the tempo down to 95 because it kind of suits what I'm doing. Okay, so there we go. So next I'm going to do the vocals. So I've done track 1, which is all lit up green there like that, and then I'm on to track 2. So I've pressed record on track 2, so now it's time to sing the vocals. So put it back to 0 like so, then press record, play. Farewell to Liverpool, London stage, River Mersey, fare thee well. I am bound for California, a place I know right well. So fare thee well, my own true love, when I return united we will be. It's not the leaving of Liverpool that grieves me, but my darling, when I think of thee. And so on and so forth. So strings next. There you go, that's my vocals laid down. So next I'm going to figure out some fiddles. When this happens, when you start recording over stuff, there is actually an undo button. So it's on the main menu, then you scroll up to undo, redo, press enter, and then hopefully, right, okay, let's just put it back, rewind a little bit. So should still hear my vocals. No, I'm gonna have to redo it. Oh, that sucks. Since this morning, I've had a complete change of mind about the drum beat that I'm going to use and how I'm going to record this song. Because you can do that, can't you? So let's have a look. On the rhythm on here, I'll show you, I've gone to a different pattern, which is a pop pattern, because it just kind of suited the tempo a bit better. I've still stayed on the room kick because it's not too soft and it's not too hard either, and then I've reduced the tempo to 96. So I'm doing that, and I'm gonna have a go just singing it and playing it with the mando into the condenser mic, as you can see. So okay, away we go.